Hello everyone, Kylie Bussing here. Today I have my beautiful model Christy with me. Christy has the most amazing natural gray hair with natural dimension and multifaceted tones. Today I'll be performing a gray beautification service using Colorance Core and Pure Pigments. This service is really about embracing and beautifying natural gray hair. I don't want to change what we already have here. I simply want to add shine and reflection, and no matter where you live in the world, we always experience unwanted yellowing tones or brassy tones in the hair. So today I'm going to be eliminating any of those unwanted tones while enhancing the already silver and gray tones that already exist in Christy's hair. So I've applied my lighter formula to my first section, framing Christy's face. I'm now strategically taking a diagonal back section behind that section, and this is where I'm going to be adding in my depth. By adding my depth right alongside this lighter section, it's going to allow those silver pieces around her face to pop. Here is our final result from our gray beautification service using Colorance and Pure Pigments. As you can see, those silver pieces within Christy's hair really pop with those little ribbons of depth that we've added in there. We have increased shine, increased reflection, and we've really just enhanced the beautiful dimension that already exists within Christy's hair.